Hello there. We are doing IIT entrance JEE exam from 2023, and this is physics, advanced physics part 1, section 2. So in this section you have four problems. I've already done 3 of them, and this is the last one today. And then only one of them is correct, so it's actually pretty fair, because you're not, unlike section 1 where you didn't know which one is right and which one, you have to test out every one of them. Here we just get right answer, then we just try to pick it. And if we don't get any of the answer, then you just don't pick it, because leaving them unanswered is 0, while your probability of picking randomly is wrong is 3/4. Okay, so it's not worth for you to just randomly pick it, because you will get more likely to get a -1 in that. Okay, all right, so the problem is the problem 7, this problem, and it's actually a pretty easy problem. If often you'll see this kind of problem really helpful if you draw a picture. So it says 2 different circles about the Earth. So let's see, this is Earth, and then we have one circular orbit about Earth, and we have another circular orbit about the Earth. And it says that so this is the radius of the Earth, and this distance, this is P. This distance here is HP, and then say this is Q. Q is, this distance is HQ. So the H is our height above that. Okay, and so if I look at the distance of this orbit, this whole thing is R plus HP, and this whole orbit is R plus HQ. So P, R of P from the center of the Earth, that's what the gravity will get, right? So R of P is R plus HP, and which is give R plus 1/3 R is 4/3 R. Right? Q is not given, so but we need RQ. RQ is R plus HQ. This is the one I have to find out. Now, if you remember Newton's law of gravitation, Newton's law of gravitation for any object at some distance r from the center, mass m, and this mass is capital M. So Newton's force of gravity will be G Newton, mass of the Earth, over this R square times little mass m. So this is the one we kind of say G, little g, at that location. So location X, G at X. Okay, so that means if I had G of P will be G Newton, mass of the Earth, over RP square. And G of Q will be G Newton, mass of the Earth, over RQ square. And using this, it says the ratio of these two are given, so GP over GQ is RQ square over RP square, and that's given to be 36 over 25. RP square is already known, so just RQ square 6 over 5 square times RP square, so the RQ equals to 6 over 5 times RP, which is 6 over 5 times 4/3 R. So this is 2 is 8 8/5 R, and so and HQ is just take radius of the earth away, so HQ is going to be 8 over 5 R minus R equals to 3 over 5 R. So the answer, if you look at choices, we have 3 over 5 R, and so the answer is A. So I really don't understand what was the point of this question, other than that, do you know the gravity, you have to go from center all the way to the last point, you know, so that's one thing you have to know, right? So like these guys, you have to add the radius of the earth. That's one thing you have to know. Another thing, you know what the G, how G is related with those distances. Okay, this is a variable G. G varies distance from, so this G is not 9.8. 9.8 will be close to the surface of the earth if you are at this point, but other than that, actually that G that we use 9.8 is a little bit complicated, because the earth is also rotating, and you have to take into account the centrifugal force also that goes with the rotating frame. But here the G actually refers to just this part, as evidence from that's one of these answers. Okay, so this ends section 2. In the future, I'm going to do section 3 and on. So till then, take care, bye.